case study question from the board paper. A school is organizing a charity run to raise the fund for a local hospital. So the track given to you is 300 meter, which is increases by subsequent 50 meter. So next second track will be 350 meter long. The next will be 400 meter long. And the total number of rounds planned are 10. So first question, write the fourth, fifth and sixth term of the arithmetic progression. That means A is given to you 300, D is 50. You have to write fourth, that means A4, A5 and sixth term. So fourth term is A plus 3D, which is 300 plus 3 into 50, which gives you 300 plus 150, which is 450. So fifth term is A plus 4D. So 300 plus 4 into 50, which comes out to be 500. And the sixth term of AP is 550. Determine the distance of the 8th round. So you have to calculate the distance of the 8th round. That means you have to calculate A8. So A8 is A plus 7D. So 300 plus 7 into 50 times, which gives you 650. Find the total distance, third question. Find the total distance run after completing all 10 rounds. So you have to calculate the total distance. That means you have to calculate S10 for completing all the 10 rounds. So n by 2, S10 is 2a plus n minus 1 d. You know the values. So 2 into 300 plus 9 into 50. When you solve it, it's going to come out 5250. If the runner completes only first 6 rounds, what is the total distance run by a runner? So or part of this, if the runner is completing only 6 rounds, that means you have to calculate S6, which is 6 by 2. 2 into A is 300 plus 5D, 5 into 50. So when you simplify it and calculate, you are getting 2550.